Arizona highways can be a dangerous place, and there are thousands of car accidents recorded each year. The state has a large population, so major towns and cities tend to have overcrowded roads and traffic congestion. With these conditions, it's no surprise that car accidents are so common. When you experience a collision, you'll understandably want life to get back to normal as soon as possible. However, you'll have expenses to think about. Thankfully, a car accident settlement can assist you in this area. When negotiating a car accident settlement, there are several things to keep in mind. You will need to know the liability coverage limit of your car insurance. Medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering can be added to damages. Working with a car accident attorney is the best way to maximize the amount you receive in a settlement. If you've sustained injuries from a car wreck, the money you receive to cover the resulting damages is called a settlement. Most often, car accident settlements require both drivers involved in the crash to negotiate and come to a mutual agreement. But it's not always so simple. Every car accident is different regarding damage, scope, and severity. To understand how auto settlements work, it's important to first know about minimum liability coverage in the state. There are several factors that may help determine the cost of the damages, such as medical bills and future rehabilitation costs, lost wages from missing work due to the wreck, the amount of coverage each driver has, pain and suffering from the accident. Since future medical costs and pain and suffering aren't necessarily objective, they'll typically require working with experts to determine exact settlement amounts. The more severe your injuries are, the higher the settlement has the potential to be. While an insurance company will present you with a figure when you're negotiating a settlement, keep in mind that their job is to try to pay as little as they can get away with. Let's look closer at settlement amount factors. Speak with an attorney to get the best result. Keep in mind that after a car accident, you only get a single final settlement for the damages. If you settle too fast and get less than you need, you give up your rights to receiving compensation in the future. This is why it's so important to work with an auto accident attorney who can help you devise the best strategy for maximizing compensation. Hold on to all of the invoices and bills related to the car wreck, as you may need them to prove your condition. Whether you were at fault for the accident or not, you can potentially negotiate a car accident settlement. Call our personal injury team at 480-485-4482 to discuss your case today.